Hello everyone and welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today I'll be telling you all about this 2021 Chevy Colorado LT EXT with only 13k miles. Let's go ahead and hop inside and check it out. So we're going to go ahead and take a look up on the dash, and like I said, it has 13,795 miles. This truck is ready for any adventure. If we go ahead and take a look over to the right, you have your center screen and stereo controls. It is touchscreen, as well as you have manual controls down below. For your stereo, you have your regular FM and AM radio, as well as Bluetooth audio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And of course, with your radio, you have Sirius XM. And you can go ahead and adjust your tune and station down below, as well as up on the screen. You of course have your settings with your system, apps, and vehicle. Anything that you would need to change or customize is right here in settings. Most of the things about the vehicle you can go ahead and find in here, like your valet mode, power door locks, lighting, everything like that. And of course, this vehicle has a backup camera, but not without buckling first. So you can go ahead and buckle up and then put it in reverse, and you can see you have a backup camera. You can go ahead and turn on and off the lights. Check your surroundings, keep you and others around you safe. Then of course you have your airflow, which also pops up on the screen to help you navigate and understand your climate controls. But overall, they're fairly easy to use. If we go ahead and take a look underneath that, you have your parking sensors on and off, which is your parking assist, as well as you have your traction control, hazard lights, as well as your cargo lamps and your lane keep. Then going underneath that, you have a little pocket, as well as you have your exterior lights. So since this is a little bit of a work truck, you have strobe lights as well as work lights that you can go ahead and switch on and off, as well as you have some charging ports right here. Then back here you have your cup holders, gear shift, a little pocket, as well as some room in your center console for some storage. And a nice and comfy armrest. If we take a look on the steering wheel, on the right hand side behind the wheel you have your audio volume. In front of the steering wheel you have your instrumental panel settings, so you can go ahead and adjust things in trip, vehicle, as well as your eco mode. And then you have your hands-free calling and voice commands with Bluetooth audio. On the left-hand side, you have your pre-collision alerts. You can go ahead and adjust how close or how far you are. This is where the alert will pop up when in a pre-collision alert, as well as you have your cruise control settings. But behind the wheel, you have your audio, which is your station, so you can go ahead and adjust stations up on the screen like that. Taking a look over here, you have your exterior and interior lighting settings. On your door panel, you of course have your window controls as well as window controls. So you can go ahead and easily adjust that, as well as you can go ahead and unlock and lock the doors right here. We go ahead and take a look and step out of the vehicle. You can see that you have cloth seating. So you go ahead and have comfy seatings that are automatic, so you can go ahead and move them with ease. Then we can go ahead and have access to the back with opening the suicide door here. You have a handy little area for a metal rack that you can go ahead and store things on. You also have some charging ports in the back of the center console, as well as a fire extinguisher underneath. Overall, it makes a great space for storing things and keeping things in place. You also have the opportunity to have some power outlets here hooked up to the tray. But overall, I think that's all I have for back there. We can go ahead and shut this door first, and then the front door second, and that is all closed. Let's take a look at the bed of the truck. So you can see the back work lights are on. It is on strobe, as well as you can go ahead and have access to the bed of the truck here. Like I said, it is a work truck, so it does have a little bit of paint, but otherwise, great truck to go ahead and haul and operate things with. You do have a bed cover, so you can go ahead and keep that closed and keep it nice and concealed. And then that's pretty much it for what I have for this 21 Chevy Colorado. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985, or you can always stop in for a visit, take it for a test drive, see if this is the next truck for you. But that's all I have for today. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.